Sorry, about the strings. Yes, dear students.
No, ma'am.
Very good. Yesterday in the meeting, some teachers were praising your class. I was very happy to know about it. Ki students are very attentive and they are answering also. But except few peoples in the class. Your English teacher and your other subject teachers were praising you to this class. One day we will do the interaction, face-to-face interaction also. I want to do with all of you, okay? Because I should know about it. Okay, without seeing the faces, we are teaching only. You are responding, in fact. हमें क्या पता चल रहा है? Only by the name we are getting the nature of the student. कि Bhavya is asking the question or Arav Sharma is replying. Only by the name we are getting the response of the students. Right? Okay, one more thing I want to discuss with all of you. I'm just, we are learning the different chapters, like we will start our list and the tuples also after that. Okay, the maximum portion of the Python of your class 11th. Okay, we will do and we will conclude this. But after that, I'm just planning. I will conduct some programming competitions as well. I think I informed about this also in your class. मैंने inform किया था बच्चों आपको.
Ma'am, you told about Python that you will take
हाँ.
test mark.
Okay, we will conduct some programming competitions also in your class, and after finishing the list also, I will try to otherwise on the basis of list and that. Okay, what is the date today? Today is Tuesday, right? So on next Tuesday or next Tuesday नहीं हम रखते हैं. When is your next class? Thursday, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. आपकी 9 to 10 वाली कौन सी क्लास है? I think Thursday or Friday जो भी है, ठीक है, on that day there will be the programming competitions. Some MCQs questions be I will ask, and I want to provide some separate notes to all of you, okay, so that you can learn more, okay, about it. Right, bacha? Is this fine? Acha. And one more thing I want to ask from all of you. Why 24 attendees are here? What happened? एक मिनट रुको. Sure, I've given the message. Okay, after that we will conduct some quiz also. Otherwise, I always think that quiz is also okay because this time the pattern has totally changed. CBSE is planning to give the MCQs type questions. Okay, but our target is this: कि our programming concept should be clear, and we should be very efficient in that. So in the quiz we can ask the 1 marker questions only, and like the some output or some coding concept only I can ask. But I wanted that there should be some programming competitions also, because by that only we can clear our doubts and clear the concepts of the programming. Because what is our aim for learning the Python or learning a programming language? We should know about the programming basically. Okay, okay, this is not only a subject. Okay, this is your totally the technical subject. In that you can get the more and more information about the programming language, and it is very useful also, right, bacha? Agnesh won't be able to attend the class today. Is okay. Agnesh will not come. I think he is not well. Right. Is this okay? Chalo, I'm just sharing. It means we should share some. Okay, after that, I want to give some project work also. I think I introduced in your last class that after doing some topics, after doing list, in fact, kindly make the groups of 2 or 3 peoples, right? Then you need to do a project. Okay, you can take your choice topic in your class. Okay, let's say last year the students were designing on the different topics. They were designing some quizzes. Okay, quiz. Acha, if you are taking the topic of the quiz, please take the computer related quiz. Okay, because very unsolved questions are there, very MCQs are there, 1 mark questions are there in your book in the last exercises. So you can take this topic also. Plus, some student designed some games also in the last class. जो अभी 12th में है, the last time, whenever they were in the 11th class, they designed very good projects. Okay, so you can do like this. Okay. Is this clear? What I want to say?
How long the project should be?
Project should be means?
How long the project should be?
Okay. It depends. Actually, functionality should be good. 2 pages, 3 pages, 10 pages. It is up to you. The functionality and there is no limitation from my side in class 11, but there is limitation in your class 12th. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because there is not any compulsion,
Now we have to create using
we will
what we have taught till
consider.
now only.
Yeah, beta?
Now we have to create something using what you have taught us till now only.
Just a second, your voice is not clear actually. Ek minute. I'm just copying some data.
Ma'am, is it audible now?
Ek minute, just a second. I want to discuss some more string points. Then after that, we will start the list work today. Agnish is absent, Akshita, Aman, Tomar. These people are absent. Why these people are absent?
Ma'am, Aman present.
Aman present hai? Let me see. हाँ अब आ रहा है. Actually, I have the full list ना आपका. It always display the red line there, red light वो show करना शुरू कर देता है मोबाइल में. Who is in the meeting? Okay. Otherwise, if some people are joining with another device, so it will not show. Yes. In the last class, we were discussing about the strings. Is there all the points are clear from this PDF also? Have you revised from this PDF? Okay. Have you done all this? Yes.
Ma'am, Akshita present.
Okay, bache. I will take attendance.
Yes, ma'am. Jayant present too.
I will take attendance once again from all of you. Yeah, Aishwarya, Akshita, and Aman are present. Arumita is also present, right? Anshika Hoon is absent. Right. Have you done all these things? Is all num. Okay, in the last lessons I discussed about that key string dot if we are checking with the is word ki is alpha, is lower, is uppercase, is title. So what is the meaning of if it is
Did you
asking some
mark my
question with the is?
attendance?
Yes.
Did you mark my attendance?
But I have not taken attendance yet. Can't listen to me very carefully what I am saying. I will take attendance. Right? String is all num. What is the meaning of is all num? Can you tell me, anyone? What is the meaning of is all num?
That all the characters are numbers.
If an alphanumeric, it means alphanumeric. It means alphabets also, the numbers also. Okay, and it is checking about that key string dot is all num. If it is asking the question in the form of is के साथ use कर रहा है ना? It means if it is using without is, it means it is converting that. But if it is asking with the is, तो is के साथ हमेशा क्या पूछा जाता है? क्या ये है? String dot is all num. ठीक है? क्या ये अल्फा न्यूमेरिक है? Right? Is alphabet है? Is lower? Is numeric? Is space? Is title? Or is upper? Is uppercase? क्या ये uppercase है? Okay, so it is asking the questions. We will do some examples also related to that. Okay, this one. What is the meaning of this? Basically, if we are taking one string a equals to com, what is the string here? What is the string here?
Com.
Oh, com. Okay, how many letters? What is the length of that string? 4 letters. Okay. ठीक है. It is checking about the different words it is using with this also. String is strip. Is trip. ठीक है. I trip यानी L, sorry, I not I. L trip, L strip, and the R strip. What is this? Returns a copy of the string with the leading or trailing characters removed. It means from the left side and from the right side, if there is some space in your string, so it will remove all these spaces. Okay, according to that syntax and these keywords. Okay, I'll strip or strip में वो क्या करेगा? It will remove the leading and the trailing characters. Okay, if there is some, let's say, this is a string here. If I'm giving some gap here before the com, whenever we are presenting with the print statement, we are giving L strip or R strip. So from the right side and from the left side, it will remove the spaces from there. Okay, strip. Strip means
how many,
it will remove both.
How many characters does it remove?
The full gap. The full gap. Okay. Whatever. Okay, the full gap.
So
it will remove. It is given in the double quotation mark there. Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm saying, can we add space as the character to remove?
You can give the space first of all, then after that you can try and check these things. Strip will remove the leading and trailing positions. It means both the spaces. Okay, the left and the right of the string, it will remove. Split. What do you mean by the split? Split. It means if we have a particular string or a list, then it will read, it will split it in the word by word way. Okay, let's say B equals to my comp is there. B equals to my comp is there. It is written in the string. Okay, it is written in the string there. Okay, my comp is written there. So b dot split will be my in the different way and comp separately. देखो comma करके उसने अलग अलग words बता दिए ना. Okay, it will give the different words here. Is this fine? Right. Partition the string on first occurrence of the substring. Okay, what is this? Ki partition the string on the first occurrence of the substring. It means वो क्या करेगा? So partition बनाएगा लेकिन substring को लेकर. Substring means, let's say it is taking B, my comp is there, right? B, my comp is the string there. Now B equals to my comp is the string there. R equals to B dot partition there. Okay, now it is writing co comp. किसके साथ partition करना है इसको? कौन से substring के साथ partition करना है? Are you getting my point? What I want to say? देखो, I'm just repeating it again. Wait. Let's say if we have the string, my comp is the string. Let's say I'm just writing a string not with the two words. I'm just writing कि my school is NK Bagrodia Public School. तो मुझे partition कहाँ पर करना है बच्चे? Public के साथ. Where the public is written in the string, I want to make partition there. Okay, so it will break that string in the two parts. लेकिन वो कहाँ से break करेगा? Where the public is given there in the string.
Ma'am will have to mention then b dot partition inverted commas public.
हाँ, तो जैसे comp is given there ना, हाँ तो b हाँ instead of comp you need to give public there if you want to make the partition in my string.
Ma'am, then
okay?
how will it split in the previous case?
In the my school is NK Bagrodia Public School.
No ma'am, split वाला case पिछले वाला.
हाँ, split अभी मैं बताती हूँ दोबारा से. ठीक है? If my comp is there, तो b dot partition it is giving there. So comp will be, it will make the partition with my to comp there. Okay. Split क्या करता है? Partition क्या करेगा? If my string, ये देखो, there is a confusion because there are two words only in the string. Okay, split में क्या कर रहा है? वो words को अलग कर रहा है. It means I have the string. If I have the string, my school is NK Bagrodia Public School. So how many words are there? My school is NK Bagrodia Public School. 8 words are there. Is this okay? 8 words are there. So it will split it in the 8 words. मतलब 8 partition it will make from the string by splitting. वो हर वर्ड को स्पेसेस को देखकर अलग कर देगा. Okay, but in the case of partition, it will make the partition by the substring only. वो स्पेसेस को रीड करता, it will read to the substring only. What is the substring here? Comp is the substring. So it is making the partition here with my and comp. So don't be confused because string is same and only 2 words are there. So the output is same with both. But if you will give the long string there, so output will be different there. Okay, बच्चों, or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Right? Understood or not? Or any doubt to anyone?
Ma'am, partition string, ma'am, is applied to the mentioned string, ma'am, like in this case.
Beta, partition is always applied with the substring. Let's say I'm just giving one string. This is my school. So मुझे partition कहाँ से करना है? My. तो वो क्या करेगा? This is अलग कर देगा और my school अलग कर देगा, बीच में कॉमा आपको दिखा देगा. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
लेकिन अगर in case of string, sorry, in case of split, this is my school. So it will split that in the 4 part, not in the 2 part. Partition में 2 parts में क्या? 4 part. This is my school. In the 4 part, it will split it.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you done that? We did it in the last class also, right? Okay, raw input
Yes,
is
ma'am.
not working. Again, I'm just discussing that point also. Raw input is not working in your whatever the version you're using for the Python. Okay, so you can directly write int string input instead of this str then input. जैसे हम int input लिखते हैं ना, str input you can write in this. Count 1 equals to 0, count 2 is equals to 0. For I in string, what is the use of for? It is doing the traversal in the string. It is doing the traversal in the string. If the string is given there, the full string is given there, it is doing the traversal in the string. For I in string, I is string, it is digit. Okay, count 1 equals to count 1 plus 1. Okay, count 2 equals to count 2 plus 1. It is giving there. Is this okay? Is this fine? Okay, what is it doing? What is the string here? Let's say we are giving a string. We are giving a string. This is school 1111. Let's say my string is school 1111. What is the string I'm using? School 1111. How many characters are there? What is the length of the string? School 4 times 1. SCHOOL 1111. कितने हो गए? 8. Sorry. Yes. How many letters are there? What is the length of the string?
10.
Why 10? School. School में कितने letters हुए?
6.
And 1111 I am telling 4 times.
10.
Okay, done. Sorry. Right. 10. Okay. Then for I in string, it means 10 letters there. So 10 will be the length of that string. Okay. I is string, is digit. Sorry, is digit. Right. So it is checking about the digit only. So it will check from the very starting position of the string. It means from the school. School का position क्या होगा? What will be the position of the S? What will be the position of the S? As position will be start from the 0. Okay, it is starting from the 0. So, okay, it will check from the 0th place. It is digit? No, it is not digit. So it will go to that position. How can we get it? Ki it will go to that particular statement because it is out of the indentation part of the if. ठीक है, if के अंदर कौन सा part आ रहा है? सिर्फ ये आ रहा है. ये वाला सारा पार्ट किसके अंदर आ रहा है? This full part is within for loop. Okay, this one is out of the print statement is out of the for loop. So it will do traversal. It will do traversal like this. Okay, is digit अगर है तो count 1 equals to okay, count 1 equals to count 1 plus 1. Okay, count 2 equals to count 2 plus 1. So if it is not digit, then it will go to the count 2 statement and it will add that value there. कि 1 add हो गया, 0 था, 1 मिल गया उसको. It means if it is not digit, it is alphabet. If it is alphabet, then it is adding to that. Okay, बच्चों? Then go to the next statement. 0 के बाद कौन सी पोजीशन पे जाएगा? फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे जाएगा. सेकंड, लेट्स से our string is this, तो इसकी पोजीशन क्या आएगी? 0 1 2 3. It will do all traversal. अगर इसके बीच में कोई भी digit होगा, then it will count in the count 1. Otherwise, it will go to the count 2 statement and add. Is this okay, बच्चे?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Okay, here searching. I think this one also we have not included, है ना? So today only we will do that portion only and do the different programs, and you will do also, right? Returns true if the string ends with the substring s1. देखो, there are some different methods are there. It is using with it. Key ends with s1 is a string there. S1 is a string there with the string with the subpart. It is trying with that. Okay, so in the Boolean terms, what is the Boolean terms? Basically, it is in the form of true or false. It means it is saying. Okay, we can see with this example. See, the example is given there. The string we are taking as equals to welcome to Python. What is the string? Welcome to Python. Prints as dot ends with thorn. ठीक है, thorn के साथ वो क्या करेगा? It will as dot ends with क्या? वो पूछ रहा है in the Boolean terms. It will ask. If it is true, it is ending with thon. Yes, it is ending with thon. So it will give the answer true. Starts with good. Is it starting with good? Is it starting with good? The string? No. So it will give the value false there. Okay. Now the next thing is this. What is the use of count? It count the occurrence of the substring. It will count the occurrence of the substrings. Okay. It will count the occurrence of the substring. Find. It will find the okay, it will find the position of that only. As dot find if it is giving in the com. So what is the position of the com? Starting position it will find. What is the position of com, beta?
Three.
In the welcome to Python is the
After
string.
in the welcome.
What is the position? 0, 1, 2, 3. So from the third position is starting the com. So it will return 3 there. Okay. As dot find become. So what is the position of become there? What is the position of become? Is become is there in the string?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So that's why it is giving -1 there. Okay. That's why it is giving -1 there. Okay. The next R find. If it is not finding that particular position in the string, so it is returning -1 according to the syntax of the find.
मैम बट -1 तो पोजीशन डिफाइन नहीं करेगा स्ट्रिंग में.
बेटा पोजीशन देखो, ये देखो, find s1 int is there, return the lowest index from the s1 starting in the string. Lowest index वो आपको provide कर देगा. If the string not found, returns -1 because this is the lowest index here in the string. So it will, if the string is not found in that according to the syntax of find, it will return -1 there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. And it will return -1 according to that also. If in the R find it means it will start that to find that particular string from which position? Return highest index from the where the S1 is starting the string. If the string is not found, returns a -1 there. In this case also, but it will start from the R find. R find वो क्या करेगा? Highest it will give. Highest it will give according to that. Highest means it will check the full string. that firstly it will check about that ki how many occurrences are there of that particular character in the string. Okay, and which is the last one? Last one means the highest one. It will start from the which position? You check and tell me.
Backward.
From the back one or from the right one? Sorry, from the starting one.
From the starting.
सोच के बताओ काउंट करके.
From starting.
ठीक है, it is starting from the starting because R is there na from the right side. It is starting highest position or it means you should know about it. Ki highest position it will give. If we are checking about the fine, so it will start from the starting position. Let's say if I'm giving fine O, so it will start from there. Okay, यहाँ पर O is written here, so it will get it from there. If it is confirming it from the R fine, so it will give the highest position there. Okay, S count O. What will be the output according to that? As count O.
3.
As count O.
Number of O.
Number of O. Number of O it is counting according to that. Is this clear? Now this PDF is over. We have discussed each and every table which was the left from this PDF. Right? You can try with all these things. This one is this one we have tried. This one only I discussed about that. You should know about it. You should read. But in the data representation chapter, right, in the data representation chapter, there is a separate terms which will give the values of the octal, hexadecimal. Okay, then by that you can know about it very clearly that what is the meaning of that. What is octal, what is hexadecimal, what is, right? You can know about it. Is this fine, bachcho?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Okay, now I'm sharing the, we are discussing some. One output is here. I want to discuss and you should know about it. एक minute. Sorry. I want to remove that, no issues. Chalo. Kindly check it also. एक minute, just a second. I'm just sending it again. ऐसा रिवर्स स्ट्रेट करना पड़ेगा. Yes. Is this visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this visible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ashi, am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Actually, network was fluctuating. Okay, now is there the
Ma'am, you are not audible.
is there the shared screen visible to all? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, is there the shared screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Class?
Ma'am, it is visible.
Visible नहीं हो रहा. Beta, you can open from your chat option also if this is not visible, and see the answer there. What will be the output according to the given code there? Sorry. Sorry. See and solve this. The output question. See and solve the output question there.
Ma'am, what was the function of S alpha?
Yes.
Ma'am, what was the function of I S alpha?
हो रहा है बहुत ज्यादा है नेटवर्क अभी फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है बेटा you can open from the chat option also to that particular output and show okay kindly do that leave ही कर रही हूँ
Ma'am, what is the function of S alpha?
कर दिया? आप उधर जाओ ना.
किया किसी ने ये वाला? हुआ है तो अपना चैट में भेजना है हुआ है.
It's only printing G.
जीमेल वाला किया ना?
Yes.
आउटपुट भेजना. cancel class.